chances. The green light's on. Good luck. Essential Refrigeration, grade 5. Racing, Surfaholic away quickly, Glassjaw runs to second, Bright Diamond balanced up third from Kalambi Bird, and then Bungee Burn along, Beauty Freeway accelerates along the rail from Surround Sound, and out the back Cottingley. Surfaholic by 3 lengths on Glassjaw, Bright Diamond runs on, then Kalambi Bird and Beauty Freeway. Surfaholic leads, making ground, Glassjaw, Bright Diamond, Kalambi Bird sneaking up. Here's Bright Diamond charging up, but Glassjaw and Kalambi Bird. Kalambi Bird through the middle has won it. 3-way thriller for second, either Bright Diamond, Beauty Freeway or Glassjaw. Surfaholic weakened out of the placings, then Cottingley, Surround Sound and Bungee Burn along. The Super Tab Quaddie's going to pay just short of 11,000.